I've been using WordPress.com Studio for a while to build sites locally before I push them to hosting. And a few months ago, they released an AI assistant. And unlike a lot of the AI tools out there at the moment, this one is genuinely useful. So today, here are 5 ways that you can start using it right now to speed up your workflow. So over on the left, I've got Studio up and running, and over on the right is the website that I've just launched by using it. And I'm going to test out the AI assistant to see how useful it is. So just click on that and you can literally just type in what you want here. So I'm going to say, please install WooCommerce and Gutenberg plugins, hit return, and let's see what happens. Let's navigate over on the right here to my plugin so we can see this actually working. And then what's great about Studio is you can actually run terminal right within Studio and you don't have to know any of the commands because the AI is helping us. So I'm just going to say run here. This is basically saying install WooCommerce. I'm going to say run and install Gutenberg, and I'm going to say run as well. And hopefully after a few seconds, we should see our plugins magically appear over in the actual website. Let's just reload this and see. Yep, there we go. We've got a success message. Hopefully just refresh this and there we go. There's our 2 plugins very, very quickly installed. Let's give it another one. So WordPress 6.8 beta has just been released. Let's see if we can test it on this site. So let's say, please install WordPress 6.8 beta. And let's see how it gets on with that. Okay, so it's saying to install the WordPress 6.8 beta version, we need to run to the beta version. That's all it's saying. Okay, let's give it a go. And we're going to do the database update as well. Okay, it's saying WordPress has been updated. Let's go to our dashboard and updates. Let's just check what version we are running. We are using a development version 6.8 beta, which is really cool. That's really great. Let's see how it gets on with themes. So I'm going to say, please install the Astra theme. Let's hit return. Let's see if it can handle that. Okay, so it's found it. We just need to run the command now, and hopefully it should install the Astra theme. But of course, you can set all these up in one prompt and really just get up and running really, really quickly. There we go. There's Astra. It's so clever. I really like that. Let's give it something a little bit more complex. So I'm going to say, I would like a nice drop shadow around all my image blocks. Let's see what happens, whether it can actually generate the CSS for me. Over on the right, I've got a image block and a place to put my additional CSS. I'm using the block theme. This is where you put it in block themes. Let's see how we get on. Just the CSS. So I just want the CSS, please. Just the CSS, please. Okay, so there's the CSS. Let's pop it over here in additional CSS and let's save that, and we should see now, and there we go. You can see it's got a nice elegant drop shadow on all my images. Very cool. Let's see if it can generate some dummy content for me. So I'm going to put in, please generate these as posts and set as category art. Let's see what happens here. So potentially you could use this to actually create some content, which would be quite cool. Here's my post over on the right. Let's see how the AI assistant in Studio gets on with that command. Okay, so it's going to create the category for me, and then it's going to ask me to create the posts. This would be quite cool if this works. Okay, let's give this a refresh. Didn't quite work, so I'm going to say it only created 1 post. And yeah, that's fine. It only created 1 post. Let's see if it can go and do the other ones. Okay, so we've done the category, and now it's saying each post 1 for each. Okay, that's what we can do. So run, run. I'd rather not do this, but this is what we're doing. We're doing 1 for each. Let's see if it's going to create them. Let's give this a refresh. There we go. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now we've got some dummy content to play with. So there are some super useful things that are going to save you a bunch of time. I can see that you could actually create 1 prompt and have that set up an awful lot of stuff for you. It also gives you a really nice, easy AI interface into WordPress CLI. So as a starting point, I think Studio AI is really great. And obviously it sets the bedrock for what's to come, which is really exciting. So I hope you found that useful and it speeds up your workflow. If you did, if you can hit the like button, it'd be fantastic because it makes a huge difference in terms of how many people get to see this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time we release a new one. Thank you so much for watching. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.